YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, my camera right there. But we're going on. Today this will be a part two of me, I guess, installing this tablet, to my dashboard. Cause I felt like my last video, I wasn't real as detailed, and I never really showed how it goes. So I have, which I could have recorded, me taking this plastic off, but nobody don't want to see that. But this is what I use right here. You see this? This is Velcro. I don't want to, get it too. I don't want to touch it too much because it's not going to hold up. It's strong, but this is it right here. You can see that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this right here, and I'm gonna fold it like this in half, and I'm gonna go like this right here. Wait a second. Hold up, give me 1 minute. But I'm gonna fold it in half. This Velcro is super strong. Like, boy. Well, I'm just gonna take another one. But what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, a better look at it. Like this. Double side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it in half. Like this. And then I'm going to, I'm gonna broke my fingernail. I don't want that. The Velcro ain't no joke. Go right here. Like this right here. Then boom. Right here. Then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna place it right alongside here. Place it alongside there. So that's all it is to it though. And I got like, those two right here and this other one right here. I'm gonna take one of them, put it right there, take another one, put it right here, and put the other one right here. So I'm gonna show y'all that in just a second. After I get done putting everything together. So I'll be back in just a minute. All right, so this is how it's gonna look right here. So I got that in right there. So what I'm going to do now is place this right here on it. So what I'm gonna do is, see how fuck I don't want to block my vents. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go about right there. So I'm gonna press it like this. The only downside, the only thing I don't like about this is the fact that I don't have no review camera when I do this. Now, I seen where you can buy app. I think you have to buy the review camera app. But either way it go, you got to get an app, and use that your review camera on your phone. I don't know how that's done, but I'm definitely gonna check that out. And I can definitely do a review on that as well. But that's how it's gonna look. You're not blocking no controls or anything like that. You're not blocking the vent. It's like just right. I like this to be even, leveled out. So, but there you go. Like I said, power it on like this right here. Like I said, I'm running everything off of my my hotspot with Verizon. So I mean, man, it's great for me. Well, go ahead and hurry up with this video, cause that train coming right now, man. I probably did this video at the house, but I forgot the scissors or whatever. Hold on just a second. I put this password in. But yeah, I had to come to my my wife's, you know, office and get some scissors or something. But yeah, there it is right there. You know, yeah, I'm talking about it's not moving. It ain't going nowhere. Like I'm like really hitting it. Like it ain't going nowhere at all. So that's how you do it, man. Just need scissors. Just need these scissors right here and some Velcro, something like this. So, and you can go to Walmart. I got this for like $10 or something like that. So it's really not bad. But hey, it works perfect for me. And then I still got my mount right here, which works pretty good. So hopefully when I post this video, they'll, you know, have y'all being able to comment. I know a lot of, I mean, well, the previous 2 videos I posted, they're not giving me the option to where, I mean, it's on, but it's not giving me an option where I can let y'all, you know, comment on something if y'all got any questions or something like that. But I mean, I do have Instagram, I do have Facebook, you know, that'll be in the description below. So, I mean, if y'all have any questions, y'all feel free to hit me up. So, but I'm about to go ahead and head to work, and I will catch y'all in another video.